How can you make banana peelings the food or the feed for chickens? And if you want to make your banana peelings into the feed to your chickens, how can you now make them into the good feed? First, you first get the banana peelings, then you collect them, whether from the kitchen or from the hotels around, and then you bring them. After bringing them, that's when you start chopping them. You see, you chop them like the way you're seeing in the video. Then you chop them slowly, slowly, slowly into small particles or pieces, which can be easily picked up by a chicken. After collecting them, and before you start chopping them, you need to make sure that they are clean. When you have collected them with the dirt, you need to first wash them, and after washing them, then that is when you have to bit dry them so that the sap is removed. So after that, after a little bit they are a little bit dry, that's when you start cutting them. And when you have finished cutting them, and they are very clean, the remaining part is taking them to the chickens, and then the chickens enjoy. So take them to chickens. This is my dog. It is being teased. Take. It's running away, guys. Okay, come and pick. Come and eat, guys. Okay, this is the dog. It actually gets my chickens, and it is a little bit, like uh, it knew that I'm bringing it food, so it's a little bit know that I'm going to give it food. And you can see, guys, the rainfall has also been raining, so it is coming to smell whether there is something that you can eat. Nothing like go away. You see, it is just smearing, guys. No, go away, guys. It's just smearing. Okay, go. So I just sat down, guys. It is guarding to make sure that it's the food for the chickens or the chickens are all alright. Okay. Here are chickens. They are coming towards me to see whether they're gonna enjoy the food. Come closer, guys. I'm sorry for the photos because they're not being seen well, due to the fact that it was closing to the night, because it was almost at night, because I shoot this video when it was closed. I'm shooting this video when it is already coming to close tonight, so the photos are not being so well clearly be seen, but I think you can see the chickens are enjoying the flavor and the delicious uh, banana peelings, guys. See, so I don't know you who say that the banana peelings cannot be fed to the chickens. Actually, it's a very good and delicious food for the chickens because it has a good energy, and it has some fiber that stops cannibalism in the chickens, and actually it can be a substitute for the maize in case you doesn't have the maize is expensive. You can keep on substituting the banana peelings to the with the maize you're having, which are so expensive. Or you can also it can also be a substitute to wheat, because it is an energy giving food. And if you doesn't want to feed it the way I'm feeding it here, you're right, you can still, after chopping them, because me, I'm giving them directly after chopping them, I'm giving them directly to the chickens. So if you doesn't want to give it directly to the chickens after, when you have chopped, when they are still fresh. You can still dry them. After drying them on the sun, they become very dry, and then you take to the milling machines, and then they mill for you, and then you make a powder, and that powder can be easily be mixed in the chicken feeds. And instead of using maize, then you can also use that one as the feed for your chickens, and on the chickens you will be more bigger, and you produce more eggs, you get more meat. Yes, from the very cheap food. Yes, guys.